Our final task before cleaning up the table and formatting it is to determine the variable dependence. So in any analysis problem, we have one dependent variable. It's the object of our analysis, the thing that we're trying to understand, explain, predict, whatever the case may be. We can think of this as the output variable. It's not anything that we can control up front. We just want to understand how things control it or respond, or how it responds to changes in other variables. So since the purpose of our analysis is to understand the factors that determine the sale price of a home, or to more accurately predict the sale price of a home, it would only make sense that sale price is the object of this analysis. Okay, so we have one dependent variable, and it is the thing that we're trying to predict or explain. Okay, so we can go ahead and, for sale price, give it the dependent variable dependence label. Okay, now since there's only one dependent variable, that by default kind of has to make the other variables independent variables. So our independent variables are those variables that we can control, that we can manipulate, that we can test to see how they're related to the sale price of a home, and see if we can improve or strengthen the relationships that we see. In any case, these are our inputs. They're the things that we have control over. We can control, the quality of our kitchen. Okay, if we have a really poor quality kitchen, we can do the necessary renovations to improve it. If we need to add another fireplace in the house, that's something that we can control if we know those things have a positive impact on the sale price, and our object is to improve the revenue for the company and for our clients. So every other variable in this data set is an independent feature, with the exception of house ID, because it's not an actual variable that we analyze. So for house ID, we're just going to put NA because it's not applicable in this sense. And then for the remaining variables, boroughs, overall quality, live area, and fireplaces, we're going to give it that independent label. Okay, I've just typed it once in cell F4 to label an independent variable for borough. And because I have it once and I'm just filling the cells below it, I can come and grab this bottom right corner where that square is. Just click and drag. Okay, and that will fill in the independent labels for the rest of the variables. Okay, I'm going to stop this tutorial right now, short and sweet, and then we're going to pick back up in a tutorial on how to nice and neatly format this table so that it's ready to go in a report.